which I also used to tell, definitely not in a way you used to convince them. That's why we always invite you that always once you open your eyes in the morning, set a target of the day and achieve it by the dawn. Okay? That's very important. And these things will be ultimately pay you. That's why I used to tell that it's a rigorous process. It cannot be, means most of the time what I had an interaction with the student, they feel that not today, tomorrow they will achieve. I had a talk with the first year student, they said that, okay sir, still we are, but let me learn first C. That's the challenging part. My communication skill, my presentation skill, my skills for the group discussions, my skills for writings, the documents or doing the documentation. These things I will just little bit concentrate in final year or third year or whatever. And that will never come. If you will approach like this way, what will happen? You will pass on and you have not acquired those skills. We have to plan these things. And who have planned are getting just now yesterday, the Deepika Chikara and this Kisle Prasad, they have been selected in TCS. Yesterday I received a phone call, at least the 2000 batch know them. Yes. They are coming, they have been selected, they were two good students. So this, why I am sharing with this thing, all who were good students are in very good positions. I have shown you role models and all are in very good positions. They are better than us. My student passed out in 2001, he is earning more than me, much more than me. Several modules I taught this batch and they are earning more than me. I have shown you and these guys were with the evidences, these things have been shared. So the way you are growing, say, never ending. Only thing is that you understand the right now, they understood the things at right time and they are the winner. They are finally taking the fruit. Same way, those guys, means the way you have responded, they were the very active student, and he called me. He was basically asking me for the transcript of 7th and 8th semester, and I was not surprised. I was very normal. I was knowing. I was just worrying that why it has not happened earlier. So keep confidence and give us opportunity to do always better for you. We are really geared, we are very concerned, we are well-wisher of you. Always we will try to give you the best things. Where we have not been able to address the issues, you should not feel that we are not knowing or we are not concerned or we are not willing. Sometimes there are the limitations. Time will come, you will see that we have acted and you will see the results. Just focus to your objective, my dear students. There is a very beautiful future. And the way you are responding, the way you are evolving, it is appreciating. I congratulate all of you, and I hope that you will keep continuing, keep a good environment, give us opportunity, encourage us to bring you lot of such kind of activities. And the next activities is, you know that we have the international conference on November 3rd and 4th. I am expecting all of you will participate actively and make it very successful. In 2005 it was very successful and it resulted in a very good placement, because this is a way through which we can give a good message to the industries that there is a quality students at APIA. We are spending not for anything, for benefiting the students. These are the interface. When employer, they see that what values has been given to the students, and that's why we are doing. Otherwise, as a employee, as a input by, it's a troublesome job. It's inviting trouble. So many nights I will not sleep. So many nights I will have to work hard. Okay, I can enjoy the chairs, but I am not enjoying. I am concerned about your future. Your future's in my hand, and I have to take this challenge, and I always meet the challenge. So keep in this mind. The next challenge before is the international conference, followed by Reboot 2007. Make it successful. And the last word which I will like to share, the very unpleasant things has occurred today, which I was never expecting. Sometimes there are the few bad elements which disturb the environment, and you as a good student should not allow to happen these things, because anything will disturb, ultimately it will disturb you. You do agree or not?
Yes, sir.
What will ultimately happen? You should not starting to taking tests